In this video, I will guide you how to fix Valorant blue screen crash on PS4 and PS5. Just restart your console, hold down the power button on PS4 or PS5 until you hear two beeps. This will completely shut down your console. Wait for 30 seconds and turn it back on. Try launching Valorant and check if the issue persists. If it still goes on, check for system updates. Updated software can cause compatibility issues, so make sure your system is up to date. Go to Settings, then System Software Update. Follow the prompts to download and install any available updates. Restart your console and try launching Valorant again. If it doesn't help, update the Valorant. Keeping your game updated is just as important as updating your system. Go to your game library and highlight Valorant. Press the option button and select Check for updates. Download and install any available updates. If it also doesn't help, then check for your internet connection. Poor connection can contribute to crashes. Go to Settings, then Network, then Test Internet Connection. Ensure that your connection is stable and has good speed. If you have any issues, try restarting your router, connecting to a wired connection, or contacting your ISP for support. If those steps doesn't help, sometimes corrupted files can cause issues. Just reinstall the Valorant. Installing the game can help to fix your issue. Go to Settings, then Storage, then Applications. Find Valorant. Press the Options button and select Delete. Open the PlayStation Store, search for Valorant and reinstall it. If none of the above steps work, it's time to reach out the support team. Visit the Valorant support website. Use the in-game support feature to submit a ticket detailing your issue. The Riot Games support team should be able to provide further troubleshooting steps. That's it. Now you know how to fix Valorant blue screen crash on console. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.